My dead homies, I'm next to Anthony Edwards. What the fuck, boy? That's AE. Oh, my mom, that's AE. That bitch raw. Yeah, that nigga like that. My mom. That bitch nasty. Bro, that bitch nasty. Look, they instantly on my mom. Yes, that bitch nasty.
All about my money, get my Glock and tell my higher than a bitch, I'm off the oil, they don't get it. Running up my money, I'm getting my money, I'm talking my chicken. Bitch be talking that shit, but whole time told that bitch to listen. Running up this shit, but whole time ain't no competition.
Alright, y'all, so look. We going to motherfucking Temple. Damn, this line long as shit. That's why I didn't want to come this way, bro. I was trying to come the other fucking way, bro. I'm looking. Like, is this if you gotta buy tickets? Cause I already got me a ticket. Bro, we gonna figure that shit out the whole time. I hope it ain't like no. I don't know, cause they up in this little line right here. Yeah. Prohibit bags, backpacks, clear bags, purses, fanny packs, laptops, cameras, camera bags, clutches or wallets. Clutches and wallets are small and are permitted. Diaper bags and medical bags. I don't got no fanny pack. I got a fucking... I already figured that. I had this in here before. Shit. That's why I'm like, strobe lights, whoop, out bang noises, no re-entry permitted. We'll do our bell. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna make it through this checkpoint and shit, and then, yeah. They said we in the suite, so we gotta go up the elevator one more and then ask the concierge. So I was trying to come from over this way, bro. My life. But nah, man. They have better ideas, bro. Oh, type shit. Sorry, this is Suite 75. You're on the corner. I appreciate you. Okay. Dang. Hold on. Oh. Y'all know I ain't never been in no suite, cuz. So, yeah. We almost at our little suite, though. We right here at the door. 75 in the middle. Shit, that part. What's good, good?
And youth from these organizations are joining us here tonight. Thank you all for the lasting legacy and positive impact you made on our community.
I forgot my battery moving too fast for my yes, bro. I really try to start my camera now. I'm gonna take a fail right out. No battery. But I'm gonna do that shit. My mama, I'ma still get it crispy. I didn't know what they was gonna let me in this bitch with. And all the time they didn't even. I walked clean up to this motherfucker. Cause on the thing they talking about nothing bigger than a wallet. And my shit was up in my room.
The house with the most, you feel me?
Shosky.
My bad, that was
You need one? Chef?
Cheers, everybody. This is my family right here, man.
I don't even drink, but that's my
I love
one.
y'all, man. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, cuz. On my mama, cuz. That part.
I know I'm drunk because that was great. You hear me? That was.
We got Mr. No Table Manners in here, man. Mr. Leonard himself, man. And you know, he just vibed me on it. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. And that's working. What you talking about? I ain't never been in a booth. That's sweet. This motherfucker nice. The booth actually I underrated the booth, but I mean the view, this shit nasty.
And make some noise if you want a free t-shirt! Let's go!
Cheers, nigga.
Every fucking thing that I do.
Oh, he got you right. He ain't give you a taste. He gave your ass a... Yeah.
He don't know. You should have gone half on the next bottle with me.
Damn, love. He said, damn, Tyler. You gotta
Well,
go
what's his
in,
name now?
kid.
I'm know that, man. He got some money, nigga. All the views on motherfucking Facebook.
My mama, he eating off the eat,
Yeah,
nigga.
come on. Hey, damn homies. Yes, sir, the first quarter with the score. The Minnesota Timberwolves, 33. The New York Knicks, 32. LeBron, 3-quarter.
Hey, hold on, no, Crunch. What's up, though, Crunch? He said we got a birthday boy. Every day, nigga. Every day. Every day. On my mama, A. No cap.
Seconds left, and our winner is Brandon, everybody. Brandon second to 29. Their whole section's going home with Target gift cards. But you know what? Since both contestants did really well, we're giving both sections Target gift cards. That was our Target Howl.
One, see right here, front right here. We got one more over here, front, one more over here. And we're good to go. Happy birthday.
Hey, that's lit.
There you go, man.
That's what's up. Sweet life. We did not want to hoop, man. It's cool though. But that shit, you know it's bad. Look at the stands.
It's ball.
Them bitches already started emptying the fuck out, cuz. No cap. I'm finna take a selfie. Alright, man, this is an after game recap. We got our ass kicked. I ain't gonna lie. Experience was smooth as hell though in the suite. You feel me? No cap. We walked through motherfuckers. We walked through this motherfucking skyway. I think. Yeah, I think that's the way I came. I think. I don't even know though. But shit, bro got the same jersey that I got the shirt to right now. But all in all though, that shit was fun. That shit was smooth. And motherfucking, yeah, all that good shit. I'm finna go home. I had to edit. I had to shoot all this shit on my phone. So I just made it a vlog. So now I'm finna go edit this bitch. They finna go get drunk. I'm not. Oh, bro, I had a couple little shots fake way. That shit ain't do shit because I ate. So now we outside. My man's got the real deal. You know what he doing. I like that. Y'all recording your church, man?
Preach, man.
You know what I mean? It's only right. KG is that one. You feel me? Big ticket. No bullshit.
Go down. Let's go down.
On me. This our little skyway. Oh, so yeah, I'm the right way. I came in through right here. That's where I came in at. So we smooth. Cold like Minnesota, man. It's gonna be a nice vlog though. I feel like it's gonna come out pretty smooth. And I got Anthony Edwards pulling up to the whoop right next to my car. So it's like, yeah, all I was already on the phone. It's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be perfect. On me. Oh yeah. I gotta find the elevator. Oh yeah, it's this way. Bro, I ain't gonna lie though. I gotta say this to y'all, chat. Cat hate us now, bro. Every time they go against us now, Carl Anthony Towns be shitting on us, bro. He fucking hate us now, bro. He literally like y'all last did me, bogus as hell. He was finna be on his 10th season and we traded him. Excuse me. We traded that man on his 9th season. He's finna do 10 years with us, so we gonna let him go. Now every time he come, he dropping 30 on our ass, 30 and 10. He gonna get a double-double. Shit foul, bro. Like, do you understand that? Every time Cat get here, he gonna drop a double-double on us now, bro. We ops. We let our mans go, folks. He do not fuck with us. So look at this. This man, Winter Wonderland out here. You feel me? But yeah, I got all the footage that I need. No cap.
I mean, it's definitely lit.
They made me park at the top of the fucking roof, man. This shit is crazy. So I gotta find a damn elevator so I can get my ass up to the roof. And yeah, man. That's pretty much it. I'll probably just keep walking and recording until I get to my car. I drove through that parking lot, couldn't get no parking. That's usually where I park. That's First Ave. First Ave, right across the street. I usually park right there, but nope. Wasn't none of that. Wasn't none of that. On me, I'm trying to get the fuck up out of here.
A lot of times it draws two edges.
Yeah. Oh, that's why he ain't paid. I'm what? I paid for my shit already. I gotta go upstairs. Whatever is the top. Whatever is the top. I'm all the way out the top. Oh, we finna hit every flow. Fuck it. We got capacity in this motherfucker. We up here. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just vlogging. I just gotta let it be known real quick. I'm just vlogging, man. Who had 5?
Oh, no.
Nope.
Every floor, man.
You YouTuber?
Someone
Yeah.
was walking by probably did that.
Yep, on God. Everything. And I shoot music videos too, and I edit them. So if you're asking
Did you
you,
see what?
go ahead. Look my shit up, gang.
That's what I mean. Hold this shit, bro.
Mm.
Oh, wait. I'll switch it wrong with my arms.
That's me, brother.
I'll be waiting for sure, bro. I got
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, brother. See, even with the phone, I got my real camera in my bag the whole time. On me. I'm just like, man, I ain't feel like pulling it out. That's too damn hot. Look, we at the top of the roof, bro. We outside. They had our ass parked up here. Damn. You can see the twins whoop from right here though. That's why I said I'm gonna keep recording. See the twins whoop. View kind of decent and shit. It's kind of windy and shit though. But hey, for most parts, we smoothly, we coolly. And I gotta find. Matter of fact, where the fuck? Oh, this 7. Nah, this for sure where I park, but I gotta find where my shit at. Alright. Wait, hold on. Damn, I do gotta find this motherfucker, don't I? What the fuck? And I thought I was good. No, boy. Thought wrong like a motherfucker. On my life, cause what? This literally where I came from, gang. And this the top. Oh God, I don't know where the fuck. But that is the way though. Cause nigga. But like that don't look like where I came in at though. That shit crazy as hell. Damn, let's see, I get with y'all after I found my shit. I'm finna go over here. Damn, I think my shit over there. Oh, bro. What? Fuck this gun. Nigga, I think I parked all the way over here. Yeah, my car right there, ain't it? I don't even know if that's my shit. It looked like it, but I don't think that's me. That's a Jeep right there. And that's a, I don't know. Bro, what the fuck? Where's my car? What the hell? Where's my whip? Oh, hell no. Where the fuck is my car at? What the fuck? Y'all, I was finna cry, bro. I'm parked on a whole different side than everybody. I just found my shit, though. On my dead homie, I knew I walked out the wrong way. Shit. Fuck. Thank God, though. Dumbass shit, nigga, I was finna cry like a motherfucker. God damn. Fuck on my car, man. Look, man. I just want to say, look. You from Minnesota, nigga. Bro, this shit is this ain't for the weak, God. But that shit be sexy, though, D. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck you talking about? Yeah. Yeah, let me go home. Fuck. Bye.
Higher than a bitch, I'm off the oil, they don't get it. Running up my money, I'm getting my money. I'm talking about chicken. Hold up, bitch be talking that shit, but whole time told that bitch to listen.